So I just want to take you on a tour of one of these 3 suites that are so beautiful that are now on the market. This is suite 102, and all of them have these light fixtures that are motion sensors. But you can tell this reception area, and this one is so much larger than you typically see in an office condominium. Another thing that Joe did is he upgraded all the hardware in these offices with nice black metal, lots of windows, natural light. These are beautiful floors that have wide planks in laminate flooring. Again, I got the automatic lighting that comes on. Nice, large private offices with windows. Nice quality doors for quietness. The tech is everywhere in this office. There's Cat 5 or Cat 6 rather, everywhere. Lots of power outlets as well. An upgraded programmable thermostat. That's a smart thermostat, can be connected to the Wi-Fi once you get that set up as well. Beautiful upgraded kitchen with it includes a nice stainless steel microwave oven, a nice double sink, granite countertops with a nice backsplash, lots of storage cabinets. One of the things that Joe does that's really nice in his condos is, in addition to the upgraded floors and this beautiful paint, lots of light, is that he adds very nice storage by having closets in a couple of the offices for you to store stuff, equipment. In suite 103, there's a closet that is also where your network management of cables is located. Nice upgraded restrooms as well. Again, to keep with the black and the nice backsplash. Everything is black and very nice upgraded mirror. Not something you normally would see in a bathroom of an office condominium. All the ADA stuff that you need in here. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful space. You won't see anything else like this on the market. Give us a call if you want to learn more.